G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. You might notice that I'm wearing a bit of a different chef's coat. When we did those sessions a little while ago out on the street, took my regular coat home and, well, forgot to bring it in. So we're going old school ice cream bloke logo this session. Hey, I've got some very exciting news for you. The biggest ice cream and frozen dessert trade event in the United States is now open for registration. Can you believe it? It is the National Ice Cream Retailers Association, or NICRA, their annual trade show and convention. Now, it was planned to be in Orlando this year. Obviously, COVID, pandemic, craziness all around the country. A lot of events went virtual. And so NICRA is putting on this 3-day virtual event. It's on the 10th, 11th and 12th of November. Let me tell you, you will want to log into this regardless of where you are viewing in the world right now. You'll want to go to Conecon2020.com. Madeline's going to put a link down below here, Conecon2020.com, and register for this event. It's going to be 3 days of basically everything ice cream business. There's going to be 60, I think there's over 60 keynote addresses, workshops, breakouts that are all filmed live. There is a charity auction, there is a trivia event. NICRA is going to be giving out their best new flavor for the year awards, trophies. There's going to be live judging and just a great opportunity for anyone that's either in the business or looking to get into the business to really connect with both suppliers to the industry and a whole bunch of other people who are in the trenches even as we speak. So if you are looking at perhaps getting into the business, if you are already in the business, maybe you've only been in the business a year or two and you're really kind of thirsting for that knowledge, honestly, this is the event to go to. Now, internationally, NICRA does have international members in Canada and other countries. So if you're looking at this from another country, you can absolutely log on, Conecon2020.com. And again, the event's going to be live, but all of the recordings for the event are going to be available for 30 days afterwards. So have a look at the agenda. There's tons of stuff to be able to engage yourself in there. And I really would suggest it's a great value. It's $149 for NICRA members. It's $225 for non-members of NICRA. Look, I try to be unbiased, but I really do think you need to be a member of NICRA regardless. Great information there. But whether it's $149 or $225, I'm telling you, it's going to be a great investment in your knowledge, in your education, and the procedures of kind of opening and growing your ice cream business. Honestly, I can't rave about it enough. Now, in full disclosure, I am the executive director of NICRA, and we've been putting together this program for months and months now. So what I would suggest you do, go on to Conecon2020.com, have a look at the agenda, have a look at the speakers, register for this event. You're going to get a big pink box in the mail that's going to have your convention t-shirt, your collector's pin, your agenda and guidebook, your tickets for free giveaways. There's $1,500 in free giveaways to use at the trade show. A whole bunch of other stuff to help you get through the 3 days virtually. If you have any questions, reach out, info@nicra.org. The NICRA office also was based here in St. Louis, Missouri. And again, everything that you need is at Conecon2020.com. If you have any questions, reach out to either us here at Scoop School or the NICRA office, but it's pretty well self-explanatory. It's a great way to invest in your future business or in your current business for a relatively low cost, a great return on your investment. I hope to see you there. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.